Ever wondered about those wellness warriors who swear by their detox rituals? Have you found yourself intrigued by the idea of flushing out toxins from your body, but unsure where to begin? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the detox process, step by step, and by the end, you might just be motivated to try it out for yourself. Detoxification is a natural process your body undergoes daily. It's like your body's personal cleaning service, working round the clock to keep you feeling good. But sometimes, your body could use a little help. That's where a detox comes in. The first step to any detox is understanding what it entails. A detox is not about depriving your body, it's about nourishing it. It's about giving your body a break from harmful substances while loading up on nutrients to support and enhance its natural detoxification process. So, where do you start? Your journey begins in your kitchen. Opt for whole, unprocessed foods. Think fresh fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. These foods are rich in antioxidants, which aid in neutralizing harmful toxins. Next, hydration is key. Water plays a significant role in detoxification, helping to flush out toxins through sweat, urine, and breath. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day, and don't shy away from herbal teas and fresh fruit juices. Exercise is another crucial component of the detox process. Physical activity boosts circulation and helps to eliminate toxins through sweat. So, find a routine that gets your heart pumping. It could be a brisk walk in the park, a yoga session, or even a dance-off in your living room. Rest is just as important as activity in a detox. Quality sleep allows your body to rejuvenate and continue the detoxification process. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night. Last, but certainly not least, reduce stress. High stress levels can hinder the detox process, so find activities that help you unwind and relax. It could be meditating, reading, or simply taking a long warm bath. Now, you may be wondering, why should you try a detox? Well, the benefits are aplenty. Detoxing can help increase energy levels, improve digestion, aid in weight loss, clear your skin, and boost your immune system. It's like hitting the reset button on your health. Remember, everyone's body is different, and what works for one may not work for another. So it's essential to listen to your body and find a detox routine that suits your needs. So, why not give it a go? Embark on a detox journey and experience the benefits for yourself. After all, your health is your wealth, and it's never too late to invest in it. There you have it, the detox process in a nutshell. Here's to a healthier, happier you. Visit Torina's Wellness for more tips.